Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today we are going to discuss about movement generating function of Poisson distribution. Movement generating function of Poisson distribution. Okay, so we all know that movement generating function is denoted by what? Mx of t. Okay, so mx of t equals to, its formula is expectation of e power tx. Okay, so this we can write in e expectation of x, we can write in the form of discrete series summation x into p of x. Okay, here we have to write the limits. So Poisson distribution limits are from 0 to infinity. Okay, so here we are writing, this is in the form of expectation of x. Okay, so we are writing in this form. So summation e power tx into p of x. So the limits are 0 to infinity. So that equals to p of x, in the sense we have to write Poisson distribution's formula. Okay, na? Probability function of Poisson distribution. So summation x equals to 0 to infinity e power tx into p of x, in the sense e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial. Okay, so this is probability function of Poisson distribution. Okay, so here e power minus lambda is not having x, so we have to take this one outside summation. Before we have to write, so e power minus lambda into summation x equals to 0 to infinity e power tx into lambda power x by x factorial. Okay, so here x is there, here also x is there, so we will write this whole term into single term. So e power minus lambda summation x equals to 0 to infinity e power t into lambda whole power x by x factorial. Okay, so now we'll substitute summation x values. We'll remove this summation and we'll substitute x values. So e power minus lambda into e power t whole power 0 by 0 factorial plus lambda into e power t whole power 1 by 1 factorial plus lambda into e power t whole square by 2 factorial plus and so on plus lambda into e power t whole power infinity. Okay, by infinity factorial. So we'll consider up to here itself. Okay, so e power minus lambda into, here x power 0 is nothing but 1, 0 factorial is 1. So if we simplify this one, we'll get 1 plus, so lambda into e power t whole power 1 by 1 factorial plus lambda into e power t whole square by 2 factorial plus and so on. Okay, so this is in the form of e power minus lambda into c. Here if we keep 1 plus, if we think this one as x power 1 by 1 factorial plus, so x square by 2 factorial, and the next term is x cube by 3 factorial plus and so on. So like this we'll get, if we think this one as x. Okay, so this is of the form, see this is of the form e power x equals to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus and so on. Okay, so here we'll write, what we'll write in place of this, we'll write e power minus lambda into, if we compare these both terms, see these both terms, in place of x what we are having, lambda into e power t. Okay, so e power x, in the sense what we have to write, lambda into e power t. So e power into lambda into e power t. Okay, so mx of t for Poisson distribution is e power minus lambda into e power lambda into e power t. So this is moment generating function of what? Poisson distribution. Okay na? Moment generating function of Poisson distribution. Now we have to find out mean and variance. Okay. So mean of Poisson distribution using moment generating function MGF, in the sense moment generating function. Okay. So mean is denoted by mu1 dash, that equals to, we have to differentiate this term. Okay. So d by dt of mx of t, where t equals to 0. Okay. So mx of t is nothing but this term. This value we have to write. Okay. So d by dt of mx of t, in the sense e power minus lambda into e power lambda into e power t. Okay. Where t equals to 0. So this is of the form what? U V. See here, not UV. See here, t term is not there. So only this is having t term. So we'll bring this one before d by dt. Okay. So e power minus lambda into d by dt of e power lambda into e power t, where t equals to 0. Okay. So e power minus lambda, differentiation of e power x is e power x. So e power lambda into e power t, again we have to do this x differentiation. So we'll get lambda into e power t. Okay. So where t equals to 0. Okay. So now we have to substitute in place of t 0. Okay. So we'll get e power minus lambda. Okay. So e power minus lambda into e power lambda into e power 0 into lambda into e power 0. Okay. So that equals to e power minus lambda into e power lambda into e power 0 is nothing but 1 into lambda into e power 0 is nothing but 1. Okay. So e power minus lambda into e power lambda into lambda. So e power minus lambda, e power lambda get cancels. Okay. So mu1 dash equals to what? Lambda. Okay. So now we have to find out what? Variance. Okay. So variance. So variance is denoted by mu2. So mu2 equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. Okay. So in order to find out mu2, first we have to find out mu2 dash. Okay. So mu2 dash equals to d by d square by dt square. Why? Because this is mu2 dash. This is mu1 dash, no? So that's why we have written d by dt. Here mu2 dash, no? D square by dt square of mx of t, where t equals to 0. So that equals to, we can split this one, d by dt of, again d by dt of mx of t. Okay. Where t equals to 0. So in place of mx of t, we have to write this term. Okay. So d by dt of, again d by dt of e power minus lambda into e power lambda into e power t, where t equals to 0. So that equals to d by dt of, in this we can write, in place of this we can write this term, or else you can do here itself differentiation. Okay. So I am using this function. Okay. So here e power minus lambda into e power lambda into e power t into lambda into e power t, where t equals to 0. Okay. So now what we have to do is, now e power minus lambda, these both terms I am taking before d by dt. Okay. So lambda into e power minus lambda. So d by dt of what? these both terms e power minus lambda into lambda. So we are bringing this one before d by dt. Okay, so the remaining term is e power lambda into e power t into e power t is the remaining term. Okay, so e power lambda into e power t into e power t. So this is the remaining term with respect to t equals to 0. So now we have to treat this one as uv. Okay, this is of the form u, this is of the form v. So uv. So what is the derivation of uv? uv equals to u dash v plus u v dash. Okay, so in this form we have to differentiate. Okay, so lambda into e power minus lambda into u dash in the sense e power x, it is in the form of e power x. For derivation of e power x is nothing but e power x only. So e power lambda into e power t. Again for this t we have to do differentiation. Lambda into e power t. Okay, into v we have to write. V in the sense e power t plus u. U in the sense e power lambda into e power t. So v dash. V dash in the sense e power t. So e power t is, differentiation is e power t only, where t equals to 0. Now we have to substitute in place of t 0. Okay, so lambda into e power minus lambda into e power lambda into e power 0, lambda into e power 0 into e power 0 plus e power lambda into e power 0 into e power 0. Okay, so lambda into e power minus lambda. So e power lambda into e power 0 is nothing but 1. Lambda into e power 0 is nothing but 1. Into e power 0 is nothing but 1. Plus e power lambda into e power 0 is nothing but 1. Into e power 0 is nothing but 1. Okay, so that equals to lambda into e power minus lambda. So e power lambda into lambda plus e power lambda. Finally we get this one. So now we'll multiply this both. So lambda into e power minus lambda, and here we can take the common e power lambda. So here we get lambda plus 1. So these both terms we can cancel. E power minus lambda into e power lambda will be cancelled. So the remaining term is lambda into lambda plus 1 is the remaining 2. So this is mu2 dash. Okay, so now we have to find out variance. So variance formula is mu2 equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. So mu2 dash in the sense what? Lambda into lambda plus 1 minus mu1 dash in the sense nothing but lambda. Okay, so lambda square. So that equals to lambda into lambda, lambda square, plus lambda into 1 is lambda minus lambda square. So these both terms will be get cancelled. Lambda square minus lambda square. So mu2 equals to lambda. Okay, so like this we have to find out mean and variance of Poisson distribution using moment generating function. Okay, now so I think everybody understood this derivation part. Okay, so if you are newly watching my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and also give one like. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.